Good morning, students. Continue oxidation. First step, oxidations of glycerol with dilute nitric acid gives glyceric acid and protonic acid. Second, oxidation of glycerol with concentrated nitric acid means glyceric acid given. Oxidation of glycerol with bismuth nitrate means mesoxalic acid given. Oxidation of glycerol, bromine water, sodium bromide, Penton's reagent. Penton's reagent FeSO4, hydrogen peroxide. 1 monoxide important. Mixture of glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. The mixture of name is called glycerols. Oxidation of HiO4 or lead tetraacetate LTA is formaldehyde and formic acid. Acidified KNO4 means oxidized glycerol into oxalic acid. The point all also one mark side importance. Oxidation of glycerol with dilute nitric acid means given the absence. So you have to memory the points. Come to the reactions. Before start oxidation, you have to do formula. First one, primary alcohol oxidation means already you know aldehyde octane. Aldehyde oxidation means acid. That is the one of the formula. Second, secondary alcohol oxidations. What happened? Acetone formed. Acetone oxidation means acid formed. The two formula apply the oxidations of glycerol. Apply the oxidation of glycerol. That first one primary alcohol, second secondary alcohol, third primary alcohol. So two primary alcohol, one secondary alcohol present. So first primary alcohol oxidation. First carbon, remaining carbon no changes. Then go to oxidation again means aldehyde only changes. Aldehyde to acid. Again oxidation. Again oxidation means straightly go to aldehyde to acid. So COOH, CHOH, COOH. Next, secondary alcohol only oxidations. Secondary alcohol only oxidation means remaining primary alcohol don't disturb. CH2OH, C double bond O, CH2OH. Now oxidation means primary alcohol straightly converted to acid. So written COOH, C double bond O, COOH. Here first step will be remaining oxidation means the secondary alcohol only remaining. So oxidation means that second step product will be octane. Second step product will be octane. So go to second oxidation means second step oxidation means ketone converted to acids. So write the formula. Oxalic acid with oxalic acid will be octane. Ketone oxidation means oxidation. Remaining acid CO2 and CO2 only gone. Remaining 1 H plus. Next, uses of methanol. Methanol used as a solvent for paint, varnish, shellac, gums, cement, etc. In the manufacturing of dye, drugs, perfumes, formaldehyde. One mark side, interior one mark side important. Second use is ethanol. Is also paint, varnish, organic compounds like ether, chloroform, iodoform. Next, dyes, transparent soaps, substitute petrol and name power of alcohol and fuel in aeroplane and preservative in biological specimen. Next, third one, ethylene glycol or glycol, anti-precipitator in automobile radiator and dinitrate used in exposing TNG. Fourth one, glycerol, the shooting agent configuring the beverage and manufacturing of cosmetics and transparent soaps, making printings, stamp paddings, lubricant watches and clocks, and manufacturing exposing like dynamite and correlate mixing with the chinchilla. That four uses methanol, ethanol, ethylene glycol, glycerol. All are is the match the following or whether right or wrong, which of the following correct, none of this. All are the type will be asked. So students, four type uses also they got to memory and many more times practice. That oxidation product name, that first name is called glycerolide. First name is called glycerolide. Second name is called glyceric acid. Third name is called tartanic acid. Yeah, dihydroxyacetone. Dihydroxyacetone and mesoxalic acid. Mesoxalic acid. Yeah, oxalic acid. The name will be important. First one, glyceraldehyde, glyceric acid, tartanic acid, dihydroxyacetone, mesoxalic acid, oxalic acid, carbon dioxide with the hydrogens. Next, acidity of alcohols. That is how to use acid defined means proton donor. Proton donor is called acid. Who explain Brunner's theory? Who explain Brunner's theory? Explain. Proton donor. So and acid strength will be give up the protons. Acid strength will be give up the protons. Alcohols are very weakly acidic. Weaker acidic. Except methanol. Except methanol. Methanol formula CH3OH. Other alcohol also weaker than the waters. Weaker than the water. Weaker than the water. So Ka value of water. Ka value of water 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 16. For alcohol Ka value. Alcohol Ka value 10 to the power of minus 18 to 10 to the power of minus 16 only. So weaker than acid. Alcohol react with metals such as sodium, aluminum, etc. That react with the metals means alkoxide will be formed. Alkoxide and liberation of hydrogens. And sodium hydroxide reacting means same will be follow. See the reactions. C2H5OH 2 times react with sodium. So 2 hydrogens eliminated. So write 2 times. C2H5O Na plus H2. That is the reaction. Sodium alkoxide. Comparison of acidic primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. That first primary alcohol, second secondary alcohol, third tertiary alcohol. For example, due to the polar nature of OH bond, that means easily soluble in water. So withdrawing electron withdrawing minus I group, such as chlorine, fluorine, etc. So faculties pathing proton donations. The number of alkyl group attached to carbon bearing the OH group will be increased. Number of OH means primary alcohol. Before how many? That example, primary alcohol CH3, CH2OH. That alkyl group 2 carbons. So Ka value 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 16. Secondary alcohol example CH3, CH3OH. So here how many Ka value? 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 17. Because alkyl group attached to OH carbon. Functional group. Third one, tertiary alcohol. CH3, CH3. So Ka value 1 into 10 to the power minus 18. So depend upon the alkyl group attached to the carbon bearing OH group increases. Result following acidic orders. Alcohol act as a base also. Which base means brownest base. See the reaction. Alcohol formula CH3, CH2OH react with water molecule. Water formula HOH. That here forward and backward reaction also follow. That lone pair of oxygen attract to one hydrogen, so released OH group. So CH3, CH2OH, H one more H. So oxygen getting positive charge plus OH minus. Next topic, phenol. Before start the phenol, I have to some basics. This is for benzene ring. Next, you have to identify ortho. That ortho means ortho. Second, identify meta. Third, identify para. First, ortho. Ortho name also written or simply written O hyphen means ortho. Meta. META. So simply M bar. Third one para. Simply written P. So for number given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That alternate positions not the near position 1, 2 position means ortho, otherwise 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 or 1, 6 all are is the ortho. Second, alternate positions will be, alternate means 1, 3 or 1, 5 or 2, 4, that is the meta. Next, direct opposite 1, 4. You have to know. Otherwise, in 11th standard discussion briefly ortho, meta, para. Next topic, phenol. Phenol is the organic compound OH group directly attached to the benzene. So hybridization, sp2 hybridization. First benzene ring attached to OH group, only one OH group, so monohydric phenols. Common name phenol, IUPAC name hydroxybenzene. Second, phenol attached CH3. CH3 means orthoglycerol. In alternate position means metaglycerol. In direct opposition means paraglycerol. Then given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second position present 2-methylphenol. Here third position present 3-methylphenol. Fourth position present 4-methylphenol. Next, dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohol means di means 2, hydric means OH. So 2 OH group will be present. So 2 OH group present means a catechol. 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. That alternate positions resistinol. 1,3 dihydroxybenzene. The direct opposite quinol. 1,4 dihydroxybenzene. All are is the 1 mark side important. How to ask means given the common name, write the IUPAC name. Next, dihydric alcohols. 3 OH group will be present. Pyrocol 1, 2, 3 dihydroxybenzene. First position, second position, third position. Second, one is the adjacent, another is the alternate. That means 1, 2, 4 dihydroxybenzene, hydroxyquinol. Next, all are is the alternate positions. 1, 3, 5 dihydroxybenzene, pyroquinol. Next, substituted phenols. Phenol substituted NH2 group. So name is called orthoaminophenol. Next, aldehyde attached, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Next, direct acid attached, para-hydroxybenzenic acid. Next, methyl group attached to OH group. So orcistinol 3,5 dihydroxytoluene. Next, preparations of phenol. Preparation also asked short answer side or 5 mark side. You have to understand and the memory in your examination pattern. So first preparation from haloalkanes. Haloarenes. The process is named Dow process. Simply called Dow process. That haloarene means halo means halogen, arene means benzene ring. So draw the benzene ring. The halogens. Halogens used chlorines. React with sodium hydroxide. Very important. Temperature and pressure. Temperature 633 Kelvin. Pressure 300 bar. The temperature and pressure will be applied means the chlorine and first step removed chlorine NaCl. First step removed HCl. First step removed HCl. Remaining ONA. First step removed HCl. Remaining ONA. Sodium phenoxide. Again react with HCl. Removal of HCl again acting means that NaCl removed now. NaCl removed, that remaining main product obtained. The benzene ring directly attached to OH group means the name is called phenol. IUPAC name hydroxybenzene. Hydroxybenzene. Second preparations. Second preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene ring SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid. React with sodium hydroxide at 623 kelvins. React with sodium hydroxide 623 kelvins. What happened means That hydrogen go to added here. That means H2SO3 remove. H2SO3 means H2O and sulfur dioxide remove. Remaining ONA. Then the sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide react with the HCl means NaCl will be removed. Remaining phenylalkyne. Phenylalkyne. Third preparation from aniline. From aniline. Aniline formula benzene ring NH2 group attached. That is called aniline. Aniline react with the nitrous acid HNO2 bar in the presence of HCl. Temperature used 273 to 278 Kelvin. All the reaction temperature will be important. So here how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 2 oxygen releasing 2 water molecules. Remaining N2 N double bond N Cl. That is Cl getting negative charge, N getting positive charge. Again hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means N2 will be gone minus N2. Second, the Cl taken one hydrogen, so HCl removed. Remaining phenylalkyne. The name is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Next, fourth preparation from cumins. That very important preparation and paragraph type also asked. Paragraph type means example that phenol formula benzene ring OH. Simply written means C6H5OH or molecular formula means C6 hydrogen totally H6. So oxygen. This is called molecular formula that asked for the paragraph type questions. So in this reaction, next preparation from cumin. Phenol is prepared. Phenol another formula C6H5OH, another type molecular formula C6H6O. This is for the paragraph question will be important. So now come to the prepared. Benzene react with propene. Propene formula CH3 CH double bond CH2. Benzene propene react with the presence of catalyst orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. Temperature 523 Kelvin. What happened means here having one hydrogens. That all are having hydrogen, but the first number will be taken. The double bond will be broken. That hydrogen go to here. So write benzene ring CH3 CH3. That name is called cumin. Cumin react with air oxygens. Air means oxygen present. So 5% of sodium carbonate Na2CO3. That oxygen go to added here. See the structure. Benzene ring CH3. That one more CH3 OH. That hydrolysis used sulfuric acid. What happened means that acetone will be released. Acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. So remaining OH plus acetone CH3 CO CH3. In molecule paragraph type, how to ask it means C6H6. Propylene formula 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon. Hydrogen 3, 4, 6. C6H6 react with C3H6 means in the presence of sulfur phosphoric acid 523 Kelvin means that addition only C9H12. C9H12 react with the air or oxygen means C9H12O2. And as hydrolysis means C6H6O will be obtained. Remaining C3H6O H6O. Compound A, compound B, compound C, compound D, compound E. ABCD, find out the reaction, explain the reactions. That I only asked. So very important question. Next, physical properties. First one, colorless.